Damn, bro, this is already better than mine. Showing me up. What's good? I'm here with Mitch today. We're going to do a street photography battle. Now, Mitch isn't that familiar with street photography.
I never do street photography.
Okay, first time?
Probably not the first time, but one of the first times.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Mitch is from Brisbane, so hopefully he knows the spots a little bit better. We're gonna put 30 minutes on the timer. I'm gonna be filming my footage on the Osmo. Carlo is gonna be helping out and filming Mitch as he shoots. And then we're gonna go through the shots at the end.
Let's do it.
So I'm shooting on Sigma 135 1.8. Mitch is shooting on?
I got the Tamron 35 to 150, f2.8 to f4 on the Canon R6.
Let's go.
I was thinking about going in there because it's like this really sort of symmetrical leading line sort of spot, but there's just too many people walking in there right now. Shooting this whole time without a card in the camera. Oh no.
So it's actually quite hard. My lens is 1.8, so it kind of helps that it's getting a bit dark, but I'm not sure Mitch's lens is going to cut it. I really like these lights, so it'd be nice to kind of get someone here in the background. Get a shot of this dog. Need to turn on the animal autofocus. So 25 minutes to go. I'm not sure where to go, hey. It's really hard. I like shooting kind of like one person in the frame, but it's actually quite tricky because it's just so many people.
Yeah, I just want one person. All right, here we go. In the middle, Brazil. Dude, my ISO is so high. All right, I think I'm wasting too much time on one shot. I feel like I should probably. How about we go on the roof floor? Yeah, try that. I really don't know what I'm doing or what I'm looking for. This one's like it looks good. I also don't really. Oh, maybe this reflection here would look cool. Dude, my ISO is so high. It's like 5,000 ISO. This is actually pretty good. It'll be grainy, but hopefully salvageable. I just got to make sure I'm really steady because I'm only shooting 100th of a second. Dude, this is such a cool composition. I just want something interesting to happen. If that was a shot, that was a decent shot, I think that was the one. Yeah. Oh, I actually really like that. Yeah, I had this guy, like he kind of looks interesting, like, and his reflection there. Wait, I'm just doing reflections from now on because I feel like I've got a little groove going.
So it's actually getting quite dark. I wonder how Mitch's lens is going. Yeah, buddy. So I do this thing where someone, like I'm shooting at them, I'll kind of hold the camera there after they leave so they don't think I'm taking a photo. It's kind of street photography tip, I guess.
All right, long exposure, here we go. All right, oh shit. I'm gonna use this as a tripod and do a bit of a long exposure. So there's a few buses coming down the street. I'm gonna wait till they come through and I'm gonna hit the shutter. So I'm at 6 full seconds for the shutter speed. All right, I'm gonna get this bus going now. That's already looking pretty cool.
Kind of walks across here. So 10 minutes to go. Let's see what we can get.
Well, I just want one cool looking person, like right in the middle. Hey brother, can you get in the middle? I can always Photoshop everyone else out. Imagine just waiting all day for this one shot to happen. Yeah, dude, that is 100% the shot. Dude, that is the shot. I just need to get rid of everyone else. Dude, I'm happy. All right, let's go back. I think TK will be waiting for us.
So under 5 minutes now. I'm gonna start heading back. Ooh. Maybe after this guy. Two minutes. Mitch, you better hurry up. Oh, there he is. You can see him. You can see him. How'd you go, Mitchy?
I got bangers. Yeah, I'm a street photographer now.
So should we call it?
Yeah.
Let's go review these shots. So we're back. We're finished editing our photos. Time to take a look. How do you reckon you went, Mitch?
I think I did okay. Street photography is not my forte, but I think I was able to come up with some pretty decent photos.
It was pretty challenging. Like I wouldn't say Brisbane is known for street photography, but there's things you can get. Let's take a look, eh?
Alright, this is my first photo.
Damn, smashed it, man. That reflection's sick.
It was okay. I probably would have preferred this guy to look like not halfway blinking.
I had a shot like this too, where I just didn't like the facials, but
yeah.
Otherwise, that's sick, man. I love it. Damn, bro, these are already better than mine. Fucking showing me up.
So yeah, this was another one where I probably waited for maybe 10 minutes to get this exact photo. And there was somebody on the left side of frame, and I did Photoshop them out just by duplicating this side of the frame over and then blending it together.
Dude, that's so good. Like, I would post this. Can I have it?
Yeah, you can have this photo.
If I post these photos in a carousel, I'm just gonna use this one.
Yeah. And then I got two photos on the bridge after I got the reflection shot.
Yep.
So that was the first one.
Damn, bro, that's so cool.
Yeah, so I was basically stopped the lens all the way down to f16, and then I used, I think it was a 6-second shutter speed. Yeah, I was really happy with how the lights looked in the photo. Because it was f16, you kind of get this like star effect.
Yeah, sick. I like the light on this building as well, that orange.
Yeah.
That's sick.
And this is actually a new building in the background that wasn't there probably 2 or 3 months ago. So I think it really like adds to the balance of the composition. Yeah, if you took that building out, I don't think it would be as good.
That's sick, man. Damn.
I got another one in the same location. I zoomed in a little bit more and I got some of the people walking across. I don't think it's a really strong photo.
It's still cool.
But it's something different from that same location. I zoomed all the way into like 150 millimeters for that one.
Nice. Damn, bro. Okay, we're done. I don't want to show mine anymore. Let's take a look.
Okay, cool.
So I had these first two, which were kind of similar. So it's this one and this one.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah,
I like the lighting in that one.
The car light in the background.
Super nice.
This one's similar to yours.
He's like kind of mid-blink.
Yeah.
But he looks like he's lit with like a professional lighting setup.
There was like a car park light or something.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Lit him up nicely.
Yeah, nice.
So this one's pretty simple, but I just like how it kind of framed up.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
I like how the traffic lights kind of framed it up.
Yeah, the traffic light and then the people gives it that like nice balance to it. And I like what you've chosen to photograph this woman with the purple jacket because it just like really stands out from everyone else who's wearing like black or neutral colors. Yeah, I really like it. And the colors look amazing.
I think the background just popped nicely. That's why this one stood out for me. It's a simple photo, but if you could get rid of all the background, just have those two, then I would actually like this photo.
Yeah.
For me, it's just kind of
it's okay, yeah. I really like it.
Okay, next one.
Oh, that's so cool.
Stood there nicely. I shot a landscape one here as well, which was nice with the whole Westpac logo.
Yeah, I like the...
Not sponsored.
I like that it's like repeating in the photo, like the yellow logo is like in there 3 times. I like the colors too. And
just for giggles, I was going to use this one.
Oh, that's so cute.
Punch in.
You can Photoshop that out, right? You can de-sex it in Photoshop. So I think the dog photo is my favorite.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't get anything I loved, hey. I reckon I would have done better like you if I hang like that one area. Getting higher is always like an interesting way to shoot street.
Yep. Maybe try out more street photography in the future.
Yeah, I think you should, man. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks to Mitch for joining in, shooting something kind of outside your comfort zone a little bit. Yep. Edited with your presets as usual, I'm guessing.
Yeah, for the most part. Yeah. I'm not sure how much they helped. They're more finely tuned for like portrait photography.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
that's
But
and more like landscape portrait photography style. Yeah.
True. But if you liked his edits, make sure you check out Mitch's style. I'm sure, hopefully you're familiar with it anyway. If you've seen his stuff, it's really consistent. Use presets all the time.
Yep.
Check him out. Check out his channel if you haven't already. Catch you in the next one.
See ya.